Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Question 1. What are the main sources of water in Pakistan? Answer. The main sources of water in Pakistan are glaciers, rainfalls, rivers, and underground water. Question 2. What are the river drainage systems of Pakistan? Describe them briefly. Answer. There are three river drainage systems in Pakistan. The Indus Basin River. The total area of the Indus Basin is about 365,000 square miles. The river Indus has both western and eastern tributaries. Its eastern tributaries are the Ravi, the Beas, the Chenab, the Sutlej, and the Jhelum, while its western tributaries are the Swat River, the Khabar River, the Kurram River, the Tochi River, the Gomer River, and the Yob River. We receive 141.67 million square feet of water from it. Closed basin, Haran Desert. The total area of this basin is 120,100 square kilometer. Its main rivers are Pishin Lora, Baddu Rakshan, and Mashhel. Its main sources of water are rainfall and snow. We receive 4.5 million acre feet of water from it. Makran Coastal Basin. The total area of the Makran Coastal Basin is about 122,400 square kilometer. It consists of streams of Mulir, Hab, Poralai, Kud, Hingol, Nai, Mashai, Dasht, Nihang, and Kech. Its main source of water is rainfall. We receive 0.78 million acre feet of water from it. Question 3. What are the main causes of water shortage in Pakistan? Discuss in detail. Answer. Pakistan ranks at the 7th position in the list of countries facing water shortage. The main causes of water shortage in Pakistan are as under. Population of Pakistan is increasing at the rate of 3.2%. It puts pressure on underground water. Constructions of dams by India over river Chenab and river Jhelum. Non-constructions of water reservoirs. Wastage of water. Low water storage capacity. Overpumping of underground water. Rapid depletion of groundwater. Question 4. Which measures can be taken to overcome water shortage in Pakistan? Answer. To overcome water shortage in Pakistan, we can take the following measures. Constructions of water reservoirs. Strict implementation of National Water Policy 2018. Control over wastage of water. Formation of National Action Plan for judicious use of water. Increase use of water efficient crops. Switching over from conventional agriculture to conservative agriculture. Adopting water efficient methods of irrigation. Question 5. What can you do on your own to contribute to conservation of water in your home and surroundings? Answer. We can do a lot to conserve water in our homes and surroundings. Some ways are given as under. We should check our house for leaks. We should turn off the faucet while brushing our teeth. We should take short showers. We should use less water for cooking, bathing, washing, and lawn and garden watering. Question 6. What is the importance of building national reservoirs? Can you point out a spot in your area where small reservoirs can be built to benefit the local population? Answer. Water reservoirs are important because they provide water for domestic, industry, and irrigation purposes. They also provide hydroelectric power production and river navigation. In our district Mansehra, some spots have been pointed out and work on constructions of small reservoirs is underway. Small reservoirs can be constructed on river Kunhar at various points. A small dam has already been constructed at Jaboli on the Siran River. Its water is being used for irrigation and power generation purposes.